Got the baddest bitch in the city, so don't fuck around. Know them hoes is out to get me, they don't hold me down. Know me now, act like you don't know me now. Let my bitch off the purse, she get 100 rounds. 100 rounds, hold me down.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So hold on, I can explain. First of all, so the first thing I'm gonna explain to y'all is that my camera literally died as soon as I did this part, and I was just so over it, my intro. So let me just finish the intro real quick, y'all. My curls dropped so bad by the end of this video because I was so busy making TikToks and everything like that. So I entered the way the hair really came out at the end. So just look out for that. But I do want to know, once y'all get further in the video, let me know if I should have kept the hair straight or if I should have kept the hair curl, because since then I've been wearing the hair straight and it just gives such a look, and the hair is such great quality. Y'all really got to tune in and see how I got it straight, what products I use, etc. And y'all know I'm not too heavy on the products, so just because I'm showing you the products doesn't mean I use them in a certain way. For example, I use the Climax Gloss Me hair oil, and I only use that specifically for the top, and then I went in with the Beyond the Zone hair flat ironing spray, and then I use that throughout the hair, because every single oil and stuff like that, hair doesn't take oil well at all. So you have to be very light-handed, and you have to make sure how much you're putting on there is a good amount, which less is always better, and know the product for what it is, just so you don't mess up your hair, because nobody wants dry hair and nobody wants oily hair. And as y'all can see, the hair wasn't affected at all. It still looks luxurious, still has a nice luster and a great quality. So just stay tuned, y'all. Just stay tuned. Okay, y'all, so this is the final look. Now hear me out. So look, I wanted to do some really loose waves, like extremely loose. They already kind of dropped a little bit, but I'm gonna enter the TikTok, which I was doing like the whole progress and the whole transformation video, whatever. I'm gonna enter that so y'all can see the actual like look I was going for, because it was holding, but it's dropping a little bit. Being that the curls are so loose, girl, like yes. Anyways, this is the final look. We don't got no baby hair, so I'm feeling real good. Let me zoom in real quick. Who didn't eat? Come on now, we don't need no baby hairs. This looks so, let me zoom in even closer. This is not a game. This is not a game. This is not a game. Anyways, y'all, so I'm still debating if I want to put it back straight, keep these loose curls. I just want it to be something quick and fun, nothing like too serious, to be honest, especially because I'm not doing the baby hair, so I just didn't want it to be too like exciting. I feel like it would give it like a wiggy vibe, so that's what I didn't want. I didn't put no layers in it or nothing. It's giving me very like Kim K vibe, because you know Kim don't really do hairstyles with body, so that's what that gives. But anyways, thank y'all so much for tuning in. Let me know down below in the comments if I should have kept it straight after y'all see the TikTok, because now it's already kind of looking a little bit wavy straight, and I did really like it straight, so I don't know. But let me know if y'all like it straight or wavy. Like if you like this video, comment down below, let me know your thoughts, and subscribe if you want to see more videos from moi, and I will see you in my next video. Bye y'all.
Got a switch in the city, so don't fuck around. Know them hoes is out to get me, they don't hold me down. Know me now, act like you don't know me now.